Hello Crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with an AlinaCutle design team project share. I did use some of the new dies that she sent me in her new release. So let me just jump right in and share with you what I used today. I used this word right here, which is sympathy, and it cuts out very, very pretty. I also used this word set right here. It says thinking of you. And then I used this flower set. This is not a new release, but I believe it's still in her store. And then I used the Get Well Soon. She has lots of new words in her store, so definitely check her store. And then I did use this oval set, and it does have the word gift as well, but I didn't use the word gift today. I just used the oval set. And then I did use the word friend, and I forgot to bring that die down. I do apologize, but it is in her store, and I will link all of the products that I used today in the description box below. So just check there for product information. All right, so here is my first card, and here's where I used the Thinking of You. Isn't that beautiful? I did die cut it out of some really pretty glitter paper, and then I did go back and use that really pretty oval die that's in her store, and then it's also stitched. And then I used gold or the pink cardstock behind the oval, so you have a little pop of color behind the circles. And then I did use a heart background die that's in my stash. And then I used the bling that's in Alina's store. She is now selling this really, really pretty bling. I'll get in closer so you can see how gorgeous it is. But I added it on the little hearts. I think those are so pretty. And then I did use the tulle, this really pretty shiny tulle that is also in her store. She is selling tulle rolls. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I love the way that this card came out. It's so pretty. And I really love the font. And then you just open up the card. I didn't finish off the inside, but now I have a Thinking of You card ready to go. All right, up next, this is the card that I used the tulips on. And there you can see the word friend. That is the die I did not bring down. But look how pretty that is. It's in a cursive font. I did die cut it out of some glitter cardstock, and I just made a simple card. I don't love this card, but I figured I'd just go ahead and share it anyway. But that is one example, and then I did make another example using the friend. Let me show you that one. I also made this one, and I did use the Maggie Holmes paper to create this card. I did use this scalloped nesting set that is from the KLJUYP store. Again, information will be down below. But here I am featuring the word friend. It is popped up on dimensional, or not dimensionals, but it is popped up on foam. And I just layered it. And again, it's die cut out of pretty gold. And I just love the way this one came out. Super pretty. It says, be smart, be charming, be kind, be silly, be you. And then I have the word friend. So love that. And then moving along, I did make a Get Well Soon card, and I think this came out really pretty. See the font? Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? I just love it, and it is die cut out of some yellow glitter paper. And then I did use a couple of different dies to create the background. Those are dies from my stash, and so are the butterflies. But the butterfly centers, I did use those little beads that she sells, the little clear glass gems, or not gems, but they're like glass beads. Those are from Alina's store. And then same thing on the butterflies. I actually used the pink diamond bling, and I did adhere it with some glossy accents, and it's so pretty. And that's the way that looks. But I love it. Isn't that pretty? Wouldn't you like to receive a Get Well card that looks like this? Gorgeous, right? And then on the inside, it's just finished off with a scalloped circle, or square. I apologize, just a die from my stash, but really pretty. I love the font of that. And then moving along, I did make a sympathy card, and I actually did use the square heart die that is in Alina's store. And then the rose dies are dies from my stash. And then the sympathy, that is the new die that's in her store. And again, I did layer it on foam to give it dimension. I love doing that. And it's just simple but pretty because it's a sympathy card, and I really like the way that came out as well. And that is it. Those are my examples today featuring the AlinaCutle dies. Check the description box below for product information. Leave me a comment. Thanks for stopping by today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.